Right now, you're about to do something most people won't watch a video with no distractions. No flashy edits, no music, just my voice and your attention. Why? Because this might be the most important thing you do today. Our attention spans are shrinking. Studies show the average person can barely focus for 8 seconds less than a goldfish. But you can fix this, and by the end of this video, you'll know how. Everything around us is stealing our attention. Social media, notifications, endless videos, all designed to keep you hooked. Dopamine, the chemical in your brain that makes you feel good, plays a big role. Every time you scroll, like, or check a notification, you get a tiny dopamine hit, making you crave more distractions. Practice single tasking. Stop multitasking. Choose one task, eliminate distractions, and focus completely. When eating, just eat. When reading, put your phone away. The more you practice, the stronger your focus gets. Train your focus like a muscle. Start with 10 minutes of uninterrupted focus on a single task: journaling, reading, or deep work. Use the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of focus, 5-minute break. Gradually increase the time. Be patient. Fixing your attention span won't happen overnight. Some days will be harder than others, and that's okay. The key is to keep showing up. If you've made it this far, you've already proven you can focus. Now take it further. Identify your biggest distraction and start eliminating it. Share this video with someone who needs to reclaim their focus, and let's build a movement of people taking back control of their minds. Choose to focus. Choose to grow. Choose to live.